I have learned a lot of things through the innovations that the youth are indulging in. And these innovations really need to be supported by the government. And they all include more of preventive medicine than curative medicine, because you see the future is changing day by day. There is an increase in the greenhouse gases, which are increasing the global warming rates. And one of the innovation is actually trying to minimize the greenhouse gases that will be that are being emitted, which these gases are very toxic and cause a lot of difficulties in the future. They lead to a lot of health problems. And so it is better for we people to be supported through these innovations, because they will also create job opportunities in the future.
The prototype itself has a combustion chamber which produces smoke. This smoke then goes to the dry chamber, which contains locally sourced materials like activated charcoal, which are able to stop all dry components of the flue gas, like the smoke and the dust particles, from moving on to the next chamber, which is the acidic chamber. This is where the neutralization reaction takes place. A combination of both the dry and the wet chamber would allow us to properly clean this gas and end up with air that is very eco-friendly to the community. Our innovation utilizes neutralization reaction, where we are able to neutralize acidic component of the flue gas in the air and the basic components using our scrubbing liquid, ensuring that the air that comes out at the end of this process is neutral and very friendly for the society at large. The idea for the innovation was forged while we were doing our internship at Thika Level 5 hospitals. We noticed that there's a very high prevalence of respiratory diseases, including bronchitis and cancer, and we asked ourselves why. We When we realized the cause, which was the air pollution within the area, we decided to come up with a solution to serve the community and reduce the infection of such disease. This is why we ended up with the EcoPure hybrid scrubber. Okay. The innovation, if it is undertaken and implemented in healthcare facilities and factories at large, would really help Kenyans by improving the quality of the air they breathe, which would reduce the infection rate of such respiratory diseases and help Kenyans have a better quality of life.
My name is Daniel Kadura Ilunga Mulala. I'm from the Democratic Republic of Congo. I am a student here at Mount Kenya University, and I've developed a system which allows lecturers and teachers to teach virtually without the need of a blackboards, a pen, or even a whiteboard. By just using their hands, they can write, they can explain mathematical concepts, and also it is integrated to a 3D model whereby you can even interact with electronics components, show parts, and even show all those things which require to show them in 3D. So that's a very good project that will help lecturers to teach virtually and to help also the students to understand mathematical concepts even while learning online. By being online with our model, even being online, you can learn all those things. A lecturer can show you parts, can even show you like how they can work in 3D on our model, and also it is very cheap compared to those devices that are being developed by Google or Facebook or all other big companies. The challenges that we are having are mostly in research, because sometimes we need maybe to interact to learn other skills in order just to be able to develop interesting projects, or maybe to have maybe a good lab whereby we can practice and we can try to come up with good solutions. So those, if we are provided by all those things, and all those maybe challenges that we are having are being sorted, we can come up with better solutions and well advanced models.
It is a competition to enable students and innovators to come up with AI solutions in the area of education. And we are excited that we got amazing innovations coming from around 70 students who participated in a 3-day hackathon here at the university. And today we have been able to identify around 3 groups of students who have got brilliant innovations that we think we can commercialize in the next few months. So some of the innovations in AI help students or learners with learning difficulties. The others are able to help lecturers to be able to conduct virtual classes and many other more. And we are excited that we are able to push this, we are able to make sure that our students have access to cutting edge technology and are able to commercialize their innovations.